Thank you, Samir. Good evening, everybody. All of us are familiar with the various stages of industrial revolution from 1700s till date. While the first one focused on steam machine, the second one on electricity, the third one on programmable logic controllers, fourth one on internet and renewable energy, that is cyber physical systems. The fourth industrial revolution focused more towards machine intelligence, deep learning, and optimization of production in manufacturing. See, we have already stepped into fifth industrial revolution, and AI is all set to make a bigger impact to humankind. Fifth industrial revolution emphasizes human-centric innovations. This human-machine collaboration aims to create more personalized, efficient, and sustainable systems. The fifth industrial revolution brings a strong emphasis on personalization and craftsmanship enabled by technologies like AI, robotics, and the Internet of Things. It comes with a renewed focus on human involvement and ethical considerations. Industry 5.0, also called the fifth industrial revolution, reflects a shift in focus from an economic approach to a focus on social value and well being. It's a new phase of industrialization in which humans work together with advanced technology and AI driven robots to improve the processes at work. This is going to unlock the human intelligence to a large extent, otherwise known as cognitive efficiency. The biggest differentiator among human beings is going to be how creative, critical, and imaginative you are rather than just generating knowledge. Machines are all slated to handle questions through prompt engineering using Gen AI. This technology can redesign the way we think, operate, and free our creative minds for better things where humans and machines can coexist. Multiple applications like inventory management in retail, quality assurance in production, route optimization in an e commerce company focus upon the organization data where information related to customers are gathered. But here comes the challenging part. Personalized applications like wearables, educational technologies, individual purchase behavior, prediction of disease in healthcare, coaching applications in sports, food order by individuals target data of individuals, their behavior, likes, and preferences, unlike the organization data, where, of course, customer data is involved. Let's take an example, a sample, say in education. AI and data analytics enable the creation of personalized learning paths, catering to individual students' needs, strengths, and the learning styles. These systems analyze student data to identify the learning gaps and offer insights for teachers to tailor their instructional methods. Predictive analytics can also help in early identification of students at risk of falling behind, allowing for timely intervention. All the above mentioned applications collect petabytes of data on a daily basis, if not hourly. Yes, AI provides improved speed, accuracy, personalization, scalability, and so on. Have organizations come up with ethical standards before deploying AI in their products? Our discussion today is going to revolve around this. We are pausing here. It is viable, or is it viable to inculcate ethics into the AI solutions and build a trustworthy AI, especially when it comes to personalization? Let us approach this from four dimensions as given by Data Robo. First one being the ethical purpose. Yes, what is the purpose of using AI? Let us ask the following questions to ourselves before commencing on our project. While assigning a task to AI, can we reflect and assign KPIs on the additional benefits achieved by AI? Is AI at par or better than a human? Does the solution engage with the customer in a better fashion? Does the AI contribute to the improvement of cognitive efficiency of your employees? Then go for it. Also, include the indirect impact of AI on the internal and external stakeholders while the organization focuses on profit margins. The second principle being fairness, which is just the opposite of bias and discrimination. This is highly subjective and varies across countries and culture. Some of the popular attributes are gender, race, region, disability, skin color, and so on. These features become sensitive when it identifies a group or individual that is vulnerable, due to which there is lack of power or information. There are innumerable examples revolving around unfair practices of AI in recruitment. To overcome this, as developers, one can include heterogeneous data in the training process or avoid underrepresentation of any specific attribute in the dataset, thus ensuring data balance before the model building exercise and decision making. A simple solution: if there is high correlation between certain community and the place of stay or region, can we avoid using PIN code in the model building exercise for the loan approval process? Let's ponder over this. The third principle, the disclosure, meaning transparent. AI systems must disclose themselves as machines and not hide under the garb of humans during the human machine interaction. It's a good idea to give an option to humans to opt out if there is any possibility. Customers might feel that their problem needs empathy, which cannot be handled by AI. Right to explanation and adverse action awareness about these things are very much important. AI must be able to provide human friendly explanations while playing the decision making roles. A significant example which we all would understand is robotic surgery, where humans may be more comfortable by conducting a surgery by another human. AI systems need to be robust, secure, and reliable. We are aware about it. Who else can ensure other than a governing authority? The fourth principles, the fourth principle is governance. This is coming up in a big way in across the globe in every country. As we are aware about the fact that accountability and responsibility go hand in hand, what are the steps or actions organizations are ready with if AI turns out to be a rogue? Are we going to be proactive or reactive? Should we still keep the human in the loop intact? Are we ready for the machine only world? There is an urgent need for a governing authority when more possibilities emerge in human machine interactions. There are multiple possibilities in customer care, credit risk, supply chain management, and so on. Just to summarize, there is a need to design ethical standards document for every organization, and this goes beyond the legal aspect. While designing these standards, a good documentation and auditing process needs to be enabled. Every employee, customer, stakeholder must be aware about the implications and decisions of AI along with the severity of impact on humans. So to start with, let's all get together and develop ethics statement in every organization that caters to all AI projects. This must be supported by detailed guidelines for how the principles of ethical purpose, fairness, disclosure, governance are to be applied in each and every step of operation and deployment. Let's build a responsible AI as we embrace this friendly monster. Thank you. Over to Samir.